Hello, in this video we will discuss about the sexual reproduction and their different stages, as well as we will also understand the identical twins and not identical twins, as well as superfecundation. So here is the female, which contain a reproductive organ is known as the ovary, as well as the uterus and cervix and vagina, showing in the figure. And in this way, here is the ovary and here is the maturing follicle and corpus luteum, which that produce the luteinizing hormone for maintaining the pregnancy, and ovulation. After the ovulation, so the fallopian tube, here is the fallopian tube, which that is basically the finger like projection looking like this, will absorb the egg, and this egg is the basically meiotic division result. And after this, basically due to the sperm due to the mating time, will produce a lot of sperms, which that is going to fertilization into the proximal fallopian tube to the move into the distal fallopian tube. So in this way, here is the secondary oocyte will be formed, first polar body, and this is the first polar body. And after the fertilization, when inside the depolarization of the membrane of the egg to insert one sperm, and depolarization after the sperm move inside to lock the further in invagination of the sperm. So it is known as the fertilization. In this way, here is the egg pronucleus and sperm pronucleus. This egg pronucleus and sperm pronucleus is the 1N, will be unite together to form a 2N, is known as zygote. After this zygote formation, this is the result of mitosis to become a two-cell stage after 30 hours. So the 30 hours, and go into the propelling of the zygote or egg through a ciliary movement. Cilia are present in the fallopian tube. So this is the two-cell stage, 30 hours later. So after this, the 4-cell stage formation, and after this 8-cell stage formation. And in this way, the morula formation due to the highly packing of the 72 hours after the 72 hours. So the morula mean the mass of the cells looking like the mulberry fruit. So in this way, here is known as the cleavage formation. So in this way, the blastocyst. This blastocyst formation after the morula, blastocyst formation means the blastocele cavity will be formed inside of the blastocyst, and this blastocele cavity is the part of the blastocyst. After the blastocyst formation, the blastocele to gastrula. So this gastrula formation is also occur, but here we will not understand. Just is the implanted blastocyst in 6 days. After 6 days after the implantation into the uterine walls, it is also known as the endometrium or vascularized endometrium due to the menstrual cycle. So after the 18 days of the menstrual cycle, endometrium vascularization will be more thicker as compared to the beginning time. And if the fertilization will not occur, the sloughing of the endometrium to complete the 28 days. And again, one day, first day will begin again. So in this way, here is you can see that is the identical twins, non-identical twins. So if we will discuss about the identical twins, after the gastrulation formation, we will just understanding from this. So in this way, we will just understand about the identical twins and non-identical twins. So the identical twins mean the two babies are same to each other genetically and phenotypically. So in this way, here is the sperm to egg formation to zygote and 2-cell stage, And after these two cell states will be separate, independently growth and development to become a two baby production. And these two baby reproduction will be is known as the identical twins, and two are same genetically. So it is known as the identical because their identity is same. I hope you make sense about these things. But on the other hand, the non-identical twins, if we will discuss about, so the different sperms will be unite with the different eggs. It means the egg are produced, two eggs are produced in the same menstrual cycle, while the one egg is produced, but here is the two egg will be produced. So it means the Y containing Y chromosome containing sperms, which that is the haploid with bind with the X chromosome containing egg to form a zygote is known as the male. But on the other hand, the haploid X chromosome containing sperm and X containing egg will unite to form zygote also, but there is a male and female baby produced, and this is the genetically different. While it is also it can also produce the two male or two female, so or one male or one female, so depends. So on the other hand, here is a superfecundation or and identical and non-identical superfecundation we will discuss here. Identical and non-identical collectively produce basically, sorry. So this is the superfecundation mean the here is the sperm and egg will be unite to identical after the zygote will be split again to form our identical twins, but the different male at the same ovulation time, so the polyandrous. It means the polyandrous mean the more than one male involved in the same cycle to produce the one identical twins are not identical, which are same zygote single and non-identical. So in this way the two male involved, so the sperm of the males is differently, so the different male contain different sperm, so the during the two times mating from different male to produce the different type of babies from the genetically different parent male. So this is known as superfecundation. So thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe.